Hey YouTubers, thanks for tuning back into another video. We're waiting on some parts here for Mitch's EG Coupe. We're waiting on some parts for the 2000 Civic we've been working on. So they're on a hiatus. We're gonna go up and hang out with our buddies Will, Infamous, and do a little dyno recording tonight. So stick around. Let's go ahead and get this party started. So guys, as I mentioned, we're waiting on a few parts here for the how to boost on a budget video. Part 2 will be along shortly. What we're working at here, I'll turn the camera around and I'll give you a little look. So Brandon came over, we went ahead, he knocked out the transmission, put a clutch in it. Didn't record any of that for you guys, but we mocked up the turbo kit just to kind of get an idea with the new radiator. And the problem we're facing, the way this manifold, this is just a cheap eBay cast iron manifold. VS Racing Turbo from Hunter Tuned. You can go on his website and pick this up. It's a 30R replica. It's a dual ball bearing. The way it positions the turbo with it being V-band, there's not enough room hardly even to get a piece of pipe down in here. So we've switched it up a little bit. Mitch went online and he ordered another cast iron top mount. So that should give us the clearance we need. But until that comes in the mail, we're kind of on the pause button here. The 2000 Civic, it's going to be back up for sale. Went ahead and spent some money doing a little here or there for the detail work, window regulators. So we'll pick this up here in future videos, but let's go ahead and get on the road, head on up to Lenore, and see what we can make for power tonight on the dyno.
What? That was a hell of a play, boy. Hell yeah, dude. Right. Slam shot. Right. Should have seen that. Oh, fuck. It had a little one, and then, yeah, mama come out.
That's a good one.
I gotta make fun of you. Give a little bit of gas.
Guys, if you've watched along until this point, you'll realize that there's no dyno numbers. The dyno is struck by lightning, so I appreciate your patience. We'll catch you in the next video.